Welcome back to my channel. This is the first time that you are seeing this video. Please kindly hit the notification button, share, like, and comment on my channel. Today's discussion, we will be discussing on how to make money on Facebook. People over there making in heat of money or what you have in your inside. Yes. Or if you don't want to show your face, you don't want to be showing your face on Facebook, you don't want people to know you, you can be doing AI. There are some AI tools. Yeah, there's some AI tools that is available on website, on one particular website that can be used to be creating AI video. ChatGPT is one of them that make it simple. Yes, you don't have anything to create. Just ask ChatGPT, I want to create a story. Just give me one particular story that I will create. ChatGPT will analyze it, will bring all of them out. You be the one to select it by yourself and copy it and paste it on the website, and the website will generate the AI animation that you need. Yes, people are using things to make money. This year on Facebook, you find a mistake on Facebook 2026 right now. Yes. Okay, so to be doing AI video, I want to be showing my face. People will know me. Yes. If you know that you can cook, yes, use your cook to make money. People are there over there. They are making money in the process of cooking. This is how to cook okpolo soup. This is how to cook rice and peas. This is how to fry dodo. This is how to do akamu. Yeah, people now these days now that cannot make akamu, but because of your content now, they can make akamu. I don't know how to make akamu. Technology make things simple. Yes, technology make things simple. I say simple, simpler. Yes, they can carry phone how to make akamu. Instead of person that intelligent, just carry your phone, tell how to make akamu. Once a video will just show up, person will watch, this product tried, okay, you join the method, we watch the method, yes, how to make akamu. Yes, how to make akamu. And so people now, so these girls of these days, most of them, they cannot make okpolo soup. So ask them how to make okpolo soup. They tell you boiling water, add tomatoes or onions, this and this. No, those are not relevant. Yes, you can make okpolo soup, all those things. Yes, be happy. Yes, be videoing and post it on Facebook. Yeah, people over there, they will watch it, they will like it, they will comment. Yes, next time they will I forgot to make okpolo soup. Okay, I remember that Jennifer create a video on Facebook. I post it. Okay, I remember. Let me go and watch back on how to make okpolo soup. This person will go back and watch the video. Yes, you are created impact. Yeah, you are created impact. Yeah, so that person how to make okpolo soup. That person don't know how to make okpolo soup because of your video. That person can make okpolo soup. And also, there are people that say, what am I going to be doing now on Facebook? They be thinking, okay, I'm a mechanic. Okay, mechanic, yes, carry phone and be videoing their work. Yeah, they are proud of it. They are not shy. People will mock me and be saying me, Peter, you are a mechanic. They will just be laughing at me. Peter is mechanic. You can't see Peter. No, they are not shy. You know why? Because they know that there are some people over there. They cannot do this mechanic work. The moment that they watch my video, they can do one thing of it. Let me shock you. There was something time I was looking for how to repair something of my bike. I cannot recall. I carry my phone. Let me just search how to do it. In the process of browsing it, the video of the person just show. I watch it. I do the practical. You know what? I got the result. That's what I want. I was happy. I wish the person that was shy, not post the video. How can I see the result? It's not possible. I cannot just see the result. I was happy. Yes, through this video that the person posts. I can able to get what I want. This is 2026. Yes, wherever where you are watching me, this is the first time that you've seen this video. Please kindly drop your comment, hit the notification button, and share and other people to watch. Thank you very much. Bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Unspoken Insight. Like, comments, and subscribe.